Dear ladies and gentlemen, I'm Attila Kovacs from the Heart and Vascular Center of Budapest, Hungary. I will talk about the usefulness of anatomical intelligence provided by Philips ultrasound in patients undergoing cardiac resynchronization therapy. Turning images into answers. One of the mottos of Philips, and certainly my favorite, because advanced cardiovascular imaging really transforms cardiology in terms of providing not just spectacular images, but real clinical answers and robust parameters to aid the clinician to make an informed decision about what may happen. The expectations of a clinical cardiologist are simple. Get the transducer, acquire one dataset, and have all the measurements with one click. Can you imagine even have the system provide you with predictive clinical information on the patient, such as expected mortality? Well, maybe we have made a step forward into that direction with anatomical intelligence. We all know about the weaknesses of conventional echocardiography. Sometimes it seems more like wizardry, not science. To improve our capabilities, we need high-quality, three-dimensional imaging with automated, fast, and easy user interface. But it is not just about time. We have to level up our inter-observer and intra-observer variability for consistent results for confident reporting. Automation is a method of choice to address these issues. The Anatomical Intelligence campaign of Philips Ultrasound started with the premium EPIQ system in 2013 and was meant to be a real breakthrough. Advanced algorithms inspired by neural networks are based upon how the brain learns and understands its environment. Using a model of an organ, such as the heart, anatomical intelligence interprets ultrasound data and presents it in a form that a clinician can easily, quickly, and consistently view and quantify. In the everyday clinical life, my experience is showing it means for us, the clinician, clearer left ventricular endocardial border or segment recognition, more reproducible and accurate results. Echo becomes science instead of magic. Let's turn to cardiac resynchronization therapy, which evolved a huge success in cardiology with continuously growing indications. Echocardiography is a basic, low-cost modality in patients undergoing CRT. However, its utmost importance can be utilized if we can provide accurate data both at baseline and during follow-up. Numerous useful echocardiographic parameters can help in the optimal patient selection, during follow-up, of course, in the device optimization, and hopefully in the novel fields of interest regarding dyssynchrony assessment and echo-guided lead positioning as well. Unfortunately, we know the marginal success of parameters derived from tissue Doppler imaging or radial strain assessed by speckle tracking in the determination of left ventricular dyssynchrony. These methods were used in a large multicenter trial, but patients with narrow QRS did not benefit from CRT despite evidence of mechanical dyssynchrony. But how can anatomical intelligence help in this shaky field? First of all, by providing fast, robust, and reproducible results regarding left ventricular volumes and ejection fraction. Furthermore, using three-dimensional segmental analysis of the left ventricle, a real promising parameter, the systolic dyssynchrony index, can be evaluated. SDI may be a powerful predictor of response to CRT, irrespective of QRS duration. For all these purposes, Philips provides advanced software solutions including automated two-dimensional and cardiac motion quantification, and also a package for three-dimensional datasets. Automated two-dimensional quantification encompasses anatomical intelligence for fast and robust endocardial border detection to determine left ventricular volumes and ejection fraction. ACMQ provides a fast and highly reproducible solution for two-dimensional speckle tracking analysis. Such prognostically important parameters can be measured, like global longitudinal and circumferential strain. Using A3DQ, the left ventricular volumes can be measured without any geometrical assumption. Systolic dyssynchrony index can also be quantified for advanced analysis of LV synchronicity. Let's see a case about the usefulness of anatomical intelligence in a clinical scenario. A 44-year-old male was admitted to our clinic with atypical symptoms of epigastrial burning and dyspnea. Physical examination revealed hydrothorax and ascites. ECG showed no major alterations. Microenzyme levels were very mildly elevated. We performed coronary angiography and excluded coronary artery disease. On this video, you can see the right coronary artery. On this one, the system of the left main. After that, our patient underwent 2- and 3-dimensional transthoracic echocardiography using a Philips EPIQ system. Using A2DQ, we measured left ventricular volumes and calculated the ejection fraction. We found a dilated LV and a decreased EF of 17%. We also acquired 3-dimensional datasets. The analysis with A3DQ confirmed the previous findings and evaluated also the SDI, which was 9%. Using the anatomical intelligence provided by Philips ultrasound, the fast diagnosis of dilated cardiomyopathy can be revealed with severely decreased left ventricular systolic function. As obvious evidence for LV dyssynchrony could not be assessed, cardiac resynchronization therapy was not indicated in this particular case. Thank you very much for your attention.